Selecting the right running shoes is crucial for enhancing your performance while preventing injuries. The world of running shoes can be overwhelming, but understanding your needs and foot mechanics is essential. With various styles available, each designed for different types of runners and terrains, knowing where to start will set the foundation for enjoyable runs. First, consider your foot type. You can identify your foot's arch by performing a simple wet test on paper. Those with flat arches typically need shoes that provide stability and motion control, as they tend to overpronate. Runners with high arches, on the other hand, benefit from shoes with plenty of cushioning and flexibility to absorb impact. Neutral runners with balanced arches often thrive with a variety of shoes, from cushioned to minimalistic options, making choices more flexible. Next, think about the terrain you typically run on. Trail running shoes are specifically designed to grip uneven surfaces, offering enhanced traction and protection from debris. Road running shoes, conversely, are crafted for pavement with lightweight materials that cushion the foot over long distances. If you frequently switch between terrains, consider a hybrid model that combines features of both styles for versatility in your runs. Additionally, pay attention to the fit and comfort. A well-fitted shoe should have about a thumb's width of space between your longest toe and the shoe's front. This ensures room for your foot to expand while you run. Always try on shoes later in the day when your feet are at their largest, and consider wearing your typical running socks. Don't forget to walk around in the shoes to ensure comfort, because the right fit can transform your running experience. Lastly, replace your shoes periodically. Running shoes typically last between 300 to 500 miles, depending on your running style and body weight. Over time, the cushioning and support can diminish, increasing the risk of injury. Keeping track of mileage will help you know when it's time for a new pair, allowing you to maintain your optimum running experience. Choosing the best running shoes tailored to your specific needs can significantly enhance your enjoyment and performance, making each run a pleasure rather than a chore.